candy.
Here's candy.
Let's see what
I get you free candy.
Okay. Oh, yay.
No, let me eat that.
Nope. Chloe, why are you kind of fat?
Yeah, Chloe, come get us.
What?
Super jump.
What are you buying?
Bomb.
Why are you buying a bomb? What did I do to you?
Nothing.
You're not explode.
I'm just.
Go away.
Help! Help! Girl, don't.
You said you would just do that.
What?
Ketchup gun.
Now I'm stuck.
I'll give you more candy.
Seriously, I hate. Girl, why did you explode me?
I did that.
Oh, bro.
Come here.
Girl, stop wasting our money.
This is my. Wait, never mind. This is not my dream.
What do you mean your dream? What's your dream?
I have to fly.
Okay,
Don't
guys.
mind that.
Guys, if you're so loud, I'll literally put on the glitch mode. Oh, no!
You run away. Get away.
Try to catch me then. Whee! Wow.
I'm an airplane.
But you don't even jump that high.
What do you mean? You want me to get more candy?
How do you get the candy, anyways?
From those
From those?
houses.
Wait.
What
Why
else?
did you die?
I don't know. I need to get more.
I need a candy, the blue one again.
Oh, okay. Give her some. Give her some.
Here.
I'm literally gonna steal. How?
Is this a video?
Is there
Because
other
I know this.
Yeah.
Other colors of.
Yeah. There is only yellow. I think there's only yellow
Where do you see it?
in these houses.
Where?
Oh.
There are more candies.
There are lots of houses.
There are
oh,
traps
you find
sometimes.
Where do you find the houses?
Look, let's create a teacher.
Come.
No, I want Athena to teach me. Oh wait.
I'm the one who grinded it.
He's the one. He's the boat master. And I am
Okay,
not.
I'm following you. Can you now?
Okay. Come on my
I go-
special boat that will literally help you.
Oh my gosh! Finally, they.
Go on this boat.
Can I take some candies?
Yes.
Can I take some candies?
No. I'm using them. Fine.
No, I'm joking.
Wait, who ate that?
Wait, what? Who ate it?
Oh, I don't know.
That's gonna make it a mess, bruh.
Yeah, they regenerate it.
Guys.
Drama.
This looks like a.
Drama's real.
This looks like a freaking long tail. It's like,
Okay,
You
is
know
it
what?
okay?
I'll do it by myself.
dude, I'm so y'all are so short. Ah, ha, ha, ha.
What?
Y'all are so short.
Stop teasing me.
Whoa!
I'll kill you. Come here. Come here.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Stop!
What do you mean?
I'm gonna get you.
Daddy told me. I promised my daddy that I have to video with voice.
Yeah, but you should have told me earlier so we can stop saying the joke.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh my
Let's stop,
god.
like, you didn't even say what we're gonna play, like the intro.
That's what you call I don't know.
Skip intro.
Yeah.
Intro skipping.
Yeah.
Wait.
I think most.
Anyways, why do you still have gunk on your teeth? You still have gunk on your teeth.
It's fine.
Run away.
I know. I mean, sometimes some people skip the intros, right?
There, I killed you.
Where do you find, anyways, a gem?
Jam.
I mean, candy.
I don't know. What do you call a candy? A jam? Oh my gosh, you can literally eat a jam. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
You're so small.
gonna run away from you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ah.
My health. My health.
You are too slow.
Oh
Oh my god. Is this it? The place?
No. Wait, why are you following me?
I'm going to this guy, seeing what he has to.
Run away.
What do you mean? I have PvP off.
I'm gonna go back to the base. I need some extra candy.
Oh my gosh.
I think I ran out.
Whee!
Find the candy.
From the screen, no ring, no the bed,
You know what? Give me one candy. Give me one candy. Can someone give me one candy?
In my heart, especially when we're reaching for
You know what? I'll literally put on a glitch mode.
Whoa.
Should I have a glitch mode?
I don't know.
Or do you want explosives instead? Okay, you
What's this
hesitated.
guy doing? Like, what are you doing, man?
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Why are you singing boom shakalaka?
Shakalaka, laka, boom, boom.
Ay! Who in the world is adding the cannons?
I'm here, guys.
Oh yeah, I run out. Wait. Yeah.
LOL.
Okay, guys, we are also
What
gonna
is
do
that
a
Baba
fight.
Finn. Oh, it's the jail sale. The jail's back.
We're gonna fight, not going to jail.
Bro, let me in. Why?
No.
Do you want to go into jail again? Do you want to go to glorious, mysterious place?
No, you.
The wait prison for being out. Oh yeah, but where's the bed? Oh, there you go. Found it.
You're not supposed
Oh yeah.
to go in
Oh yeah, they're like invisible. I forgot.
because this is a illusion.
Yeah, I forgot.
Ow!
I died.
Let's go.
How do you get the candies, guys?
Girl, you'll need I don't know.
Hey, teach me.
Girl, I mean,
Watch a tutorial on YouTube. Build a boat. Say
a
20.
build. Oh, build.
Hey,
okay,
no one can get no more weapons.
Why the?
Come
Wow.
here.
But isn't that?
Athena, come here. Look at
What?
the new area I put in.
Oh wow, it's unboxing practice.
Chloe only seen this.
This is the practice arena. This is where you practice your practicing your
too short
PvP.
to do this. That's why it can kill people so fast.
This is the practice arena. This is where you practice your PvP. Wait, what? Your practice?
It's
You
your-
practice,
your
practice. Why is that? It's Look at this. You practicing your PvP. It's supposed to be you practice your PvP though.
Yeah, that's what I didn't have more because that's why.
Ah!
Can you give me the blue candy again?
Bro wants to be so small.
No, I am only small, you big monster.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm not body shaming you.
Where is the?
I said I'm not body shaming you.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know what I used it for. What are you doing, mister?
Oh, trying to go to the other side.
Where the frick do you need to go to the other side?
Yay. Okay, I'm not good.
No.
You're ruining my build. What the frick?
That's not a build. That's a build.
What do you mean? I'm trying to make a house. Oh,
But this is a giant house.
you mean this is like a mansion?
Yes. It represents a
Mansion.
giant mansion.
Yeah. Where the frick is there?
Just wait for the end. Oh no. I almost fell in there. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Did you escape once you got stuck?
Yeah.
I'll try.
But you can't because you're big.
What? Wait, what?
Yeah, but what happened?
Look, look, look.
Oh, I can't get in now. Seriously? Why can't I get in? Dude, why?
It's loading.
Oh, I can.
I think you're wrong.
It's loading, see?
Never mind. Girl, you can go in. What do you mean?
This is...
No.
Help
I
me!
thought you said you cannot be stopped.
Help me!
I'm very
Help me!
stuck.
I'm in the shallow end! Help me!
I'm stuck under the.
Yeah, but there's fat. That's why.
Wait, where are you stuck?
Here.
She's over here by the living room, I think.
Wait, that's literally the bedroom.
Oh, that's the bedroom.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I feel bad for you.
Oh my god.
Can someone make me tiny?
You want to play
Girl.
that game? Oh, okay.
Girl, see that candy?
Where?
No.
Eat it, Chloe.
Okay.
Can I have a candy? Can I have a blue candy?
Oh, nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Now I can finally drown in this water.
Stop.
Okay, never mind. I never drowned. I never
Why
drowned.
would you need privacy window?
Privacy?
Because, please, I need to wash my bum.
What?
Oh wait, I thought. Wait, that's the bathroom.
Dude, I'm actually.
No, this
Lucas.
is next to the bedroom.
Lucas,
the
I'm actually
bathroom is next to the bedroom.
Lucas, I'm literally recording right now.
Dad, you have to be traumatized by that. Be traumatized, guys.
Oh
Traumatized.
my
You
god.
need to wash your bum.
Like, why would you need privacy? What are you gonna do?
Wash your bum.
Where is there? What is this? No pooping, no peeing, no diving.
I mean, why would you pee in the pool?
I mean, it's rules. You know, babies poop in the pool and pee.
Yeah.
You mean some of them?
You mean how about the adults pee?
No diving? Seriously, no diving? Yeah. What do you call this then? What do you call this then?
Maybe because
Boom.
it's too low. That's why no diving.
If you're diving, actually, you know, you might fall off the edge. Or maybe if you're too off the edge, then you might hit your head or your chest.
Okay, I am never letting my organs out. So
Why would you even let your organs out? Why would you?
it's called what? You almost got stuck.
Too shallow.
Why is there like a?
Nice.
Why is the water like? Why is there two waters different?
This one's smooth. This one is dark water.
This one?
This is for nighttime water, a hot tub.
This one?
And this is for cold water.
Oh.
in summers.
Oh, okay, that's pretty creative. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Are you still recording this?
Yup.
We might make a giant 1 hour video. And we might just want to react to it.
Guys, wanna play
You know
MMs?
what?
No!
To be honest, I'll be cringing out. You know, I'll be cringing out once I see that video.
Cringing out.
Yeah, it's so cringe.
What?
Like our conversation, the whole conversation is so cringe.
I know, right?
What are we even talking about? This is so cringe.
Wanna go,
Actually,
guys?
I would make a window.
Like imagine if the people know us, then they watch it.
Yo, we're so. Yo, we are so cringe. It's called.
Drama.
Yeah, it's called. It's called You Are My Everything.
Yeah, and the worst part is.
Well,
Fart.
Okay, no.
no.
Erase that.
No, how can you erase? You can't erase that.
To all people who's watching this, I'm very sorry. I'm very
Total
sorry.
drama. This is total drama.
Wait, what? You said why? You said why to all people that are watching what?
Sorry to all to the people listening and watching because this thing is very cringe and out of the video. We are so immature.
We're so immature. Let's go. But what is immature anyway?
Immature is being silly.
Yeah, I know, right? We're so silly.
She's not my classmate
You want
anymore.
fun?
Oh my gosh, it's an ex-classmate? Bro, why do you laugh like that? My laugh is more preppier.
Kid, I eat it.
We're still immature, I think. What do you call it? Is it
Silly.
Oh yes, if you guys asking for my YouTuber, yes, never mind. Lol.
Why would you put my name innocent cousin anyway?
Of course, you're literally innocent.
Oh, by the way, one more thing. To everyone watching this, please do not use a headphones or anything you put in the ear because your ear's gonna be dead by now.
What? Doesn't it seem fun?
I just did that.
Breaking your ears is really fun. At least you can hear your teacher. Blah blah blah.
Yeah, I can't hear all the insults.
Okay, who the frick is the murderer?
It's the frick.
Wait, hold up.
It's this girl.
Which one?
Okay, so
Oh, yeah, she's hiding.
You know what else?
Wait, no, it's actually, wait, if the bodies are,
Fire.
yeah, and no one has fire in this lobby. No one has fire in this.
Hold up, let me
Be
try.
quiet, just be quiet.
But why are you singing symphony then?
I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Guys, we're so sorry we're being immature. Guys, we're so sorry we're being immature.
You don't have to repeat them all over again. You're ashaming us.
Let go.
That's shaming.
Oh, hold me inside and let go.
Okay, so what in the world? Oh my god, please. Oh my god. What's this?
Okay.
Imagine teaming 2024 is insane. Lori and you still think you're good, lol. And especially with the bacon. Oh!
Are you serious?
Wow.
No one.
Wow, Rose.
This is all to every teamers. Teamers suck. Campers sucks. Exploiter sucks. Everybody sucks that are really bad.
Oh, shoot, wow.
I'm gonna commit MM2 suicide. MM2 suicide.
Who are teaming? Who are teaming?
Who are teaming?
Who are teaming? Dude, I'm literally
It's a
murdering.
jewelry girl.
Wait, which jewelry girl?
The pumpkin. The murder
Why the
last
way you
round.
can only win by teaming because
What do you want to win?
is this
If
the
you want to win,
it,
team. Because that's just
Lucas? Is
The dark
this
side.
is she teaming? Is
Yeah.
a teamer?
yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah.
He's the teamer. Guys, I'm really sorry. I might be a spam jumper. So
But don't worry, she's actually kangaroo.
yeah, I know, right?
Oh, did you just heard that? I'm gonna go under the bed actually. See ya. Hey, under the bed. Can you hear me still? Guys,
We cannot hear you.
Stop. What the frick? What are you doing? Especially teaming with a bacon. Oh shoot!
Oh, shut! I rapped.
You suck! Oh my gosh, I hope y'all suck.
Okay.
Bro, let's.
I just wanna be part of your ceremony. Yeah, we hold me tight and I let go.
What if I camp again?
No.
What if I camp?
Keep it in.
Oh my gosh, don't eat. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Just don't camp. You're pro, right?
Not really. Okay. Just borrow my phone once.
A few moments later.
Got half part 2. Okay.
Okay, now you're such an elf.
You're an elf.
Elf teamer, lol.
Oh my god. We're back. We're back again, guys.
Chat.
Yeah,
You are
we're so cringe. The frick?
What? We don't need sound effects, okay? You gotta stop with the sound
That
effects.
is not a sound effect.
I'm innocent.
What are you, girl?
Show up.
Okay, innocent. Let me do shift lock right now.
Is there?
No, don't shift lock. You have to look behind you if
Is this
someone's
the
a
real?
threat.
Is this the real murder mystery?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is.
It's still the Halloween update.
Oh, shoosh.
What? Who is it?
I wonder who's the murdered. I will rage.
Shotgun.
I will rage quit until the murder. Okay, lol, it's recipe. Wow. Dude, stop tricking us.
Whoa!
Oh, shoot. Who was it? Who was it? Who was it?
Wait.
Who was it? Oh my gosh.
Who is it? Oh my gosh.
Oh, hell no.
Wait, who is it? That's it. Oh,
Oh my gosh, your aim is so bad.
I mean, her.
I'm really sorry.
She probably has gunk in her teeth.
What do you mean?
Gunk.
I'm
It's
so
like yellow stuff in her teeth.
Oh wow, it's such a camp. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Bro, get the gun. Come on, you're a pro at this. You're a pro.
No! Why did you do that?
Get the gun.
The One Piece! The One Piece is real!
Did you get the gun? I literally see it.
Whoa! That's it! That's the murder.
You don't have to scream. My ears are hurting. My flesh.
But you can't control the world. What's ending? I wanna be.
You'll never see it coming.
You never see
Guys, for those who are using earphone users, I'm really sorry. Oh, wow!
She said, "Sorry, I'm not sorry, but to break your ears, sorry, my God, not sorry."
Hey! My God, what kind of? Are y'all teaming? Are y'all teaming?
I'm still alive.
Yeah,
Chat.
they're all screaming.
Chat, I'm
Teaming,
still
teaming.
alive.
Ooh, what does your avatar looks like? I forgot what it looks like.
It's this one, girl. It's
I'm
the-
white
Oh,
Cappy.
okay.
I'm white
Ah,
Cappy.
shoot.
I'm white Cappy.
Why don't you ship? What do you call it? Why don't you ship Ganya and Mochiro? Why?
Are you seriously talking about that in the video?
I know.
Are
Just
you?
explanation to our fans, the joke.
Do you have friends?
Is it because of the age? Nah. People should Yutan, don't worry.
Ulan tanda, ikon
Yutan.
Yutan!
Now I will be jealous. Do not be like that.
Yeah, I'm innocent.
Let's go!
You're sheriff.
Let's go!
Okay, now let's
You're
find
the
that
hero.
murder.
You're my idol for being my hero.
What in the world? You'll never see it coming! Oh.
What did you do?
Can I see your hands? Or yeah, you're a little innocent?
Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. It's the girl with the ice sword. It's the pumpkin girl.
Whoa. Wait.
It's the pumpkin girl.
Oh, it's a pumpkin girl.
It's right there. She's right there. Ella, I can sit on her dead body and mock her. I can mock her whenever I want to.
What in the?
Do not be so mean. They are young.
If
Young
they are so
viewers.
youngsters, why are they like jokesters?
What?
What?
You don't have to roast me like that, my friend.
True.
You're hurting my feelings, my friend.
You're literally hurting my mind. You're literally brain rotting me.
What's that? Skibidi?
Girl.
You just said that.
Yeah,
Dude,
skibidi
my friend always saying, I'm the alpha.
I'm the leader. I'm the one to trust.
Oh my gosh. Let's go.
Skippity.
Wait, don't lock the end.
Zamina.
I'm innocent.
I want to see your murderer.
Okay.
Wait, don't kill
you
me
have
yet.
a point.
Don't kill me yet. I'll just
Guys, don't kill me.
gonna collect the candies, then you can kill me.
Okay, same. Whoa!
Good job. Good.
Dude, I was about to collect candy.
Lol.
Oh my god.
Bro. You literally straight up missed. Oh my gosh. How do I...
Bro, just
Wait, where are the people though?
go to the other side of the door.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
Oh, don't worry. This is a pro. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. I'll leave, bro. Come here, bro.
What do you mean, come here, bro?
I can see you.
What is that? I'm innocent. You're innocent. What?
Whoa. Get you good.
You know, people are pro sometimes, you know.
That's when you're bro.
Sometimes.
Straight up, I'm gonna spam jump.
Yep, I told you he's a pro. It's a pro.
What can you buy from the candies?
Oh, I don't know. It's not giving me an item. Bro, you scream. Bro, you scream like an eagle.
What?
I literally said
Dirty minded.
it's eagle.
Mine.
It's eagle.
No, come here. This is the best.
That's not dirty man. It's gay. Oh my god, you two are so. Oh my god.
What do you mean? I literally said eagle.
You're
scream.
a boomer. That's why.
What?
A boomer.
What in the world is a boomer?
It's a generation. A kind of generation. It's boring.
Okay.
Anyways, yay! I'm in my favorite map. I'm gonna open this door.
I don't like Manor.
Bro, why?
Manor's not my.
I'm gonna follow this girl. I'm gonna follow this
Manor's
girl.
not my thing.
Give me your phone!
No, don't.
I will literally eagle you.
You don't need to.
It's the pumpkin ice girl.
I literally.
Oh shoot!
My ears!
Oh shoot!
My
Run! Bitch! Run!
Girl, my ears. My ears, Lucas. Oh my gosh. Girl, my. Dude, my ears.
Come in, bro. Come in. Help me chat. So, chat, you're not too tiny.
I can't believe I'm still surviving this.
I'm a survivor. She has wings. I'll tell you when she's right there.
Oh no.
It's the ice girl. She has ghosts.
Yeah. What do we do then?
Whoa!
Literally.
Come here.
I see an outside.
Oh
my gosh. Oh, outside. What? What targeter?
Bro.
Wow, teamer. I think. Are they? Oh my god. Oh, targeter?
Yeah, I would rather kill her when I'm shot. That would be good.
That's what I think.
What?
Is she here? Oh, it's okay. Kill me.
It's a her.
Oh, my bad.
Oh my god.
I'll go later.
Dance queen.
Bro, why is she not killing people?
Don't stop making trap. Finally, I think-
Oh my my gosh. You have less stress than me in MM2.
Wake up in the morning.
Wake up in the morning feeling like the city. I grab my glasses and I'm gonna kick P. Diddy.
Why did you emphasize never mind?
What do you mean?
Nothing.
P. Diddy.
Look at this beautiful face.
Please do not stream my face in YouTube.
What do you mean? It's just a Roblox face. What am I gonna do? Do a face reveal?
You actually already did, remember?
This is. I am.
Don't charge me.
Anyways,
No!
borrow the.
No!
You have lots
Hey,
of charge.
I have 25%.
I can't.
You have 5%.
Well,
I guess. I guess.
can't.
Your phone is dying. Wait. Stop.
My
Stop. This is
No,
mine.
seriously.
This is mine. This is mine. I own that.
Oh, seriously.
I own this thing.
No, seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
What? How much? What is your charge anyway?
Then give me the other one.
What do you mean other one?
You said you have a lot of power bank.
I only have one.
Is it the blue one? Oh no.
Oh, that's not mine.
That you cannot. Oh my god.
You said you have a lot.
I said I have one.
Oh.
You're hearing stuff.
I heard you in the
Yes.
past.
Oh, she's sheriff.
You hold my phone. You hold my phone.
Oh, hell no, you're
So hello guys, I'm the one who's using her phone now, so oh wait, why am I in there?
Oh no.
It's
I'm sorry.
Exploiter, no. Should I shoot it?
Oh my gosh. Leave! He will hack you and get all your data.
It's what you call I literally kill. So are we gonna join a different
You're gonna get hacked. I think he's gonna play your file.
Why?
No,
is he?
an exploiter doesn't hack you. It's another one. Exploiter is like it's an other. Oh my gosh.
But exploiting sometimes, like, what if he's a hacker? What if
Hacker,
he's a hacker?
hacker and exploiter are I think are the same. Guys, I'm not sure if exploiter or I don't know. I mean, or a hacker are the same. Please let us know. And yes,
Exploiters are just using glitches and exploits for fun. Hackers are doing it to destroy what they don't want, I think, or destroying people's hobby. And like,
what do you mean? You're gonna hack your bank account?
I'm not talking about that. It's a Roblox hacker. What do you expect?
Bro, Chills literally just went into other accounts, but he's not on. But he's on. But he didn't hack.
Oh, by the way, I take off your aim, so you might wanna put it back.
Oh sure.
What?
I already know you're the murderer. Where are you?
Hi, Pookie. Where are you?
Pookie?
Wookie, Dookie, Lookie. Wait, I forgot the next one.
Wookie.
It's just a joke.
Pookie. Wookie.
You Pookie Bacon.
Pookie Bear, where are you?
Wake up, Coco. Oh hell no.
Wake up, Cuckoo. Nuts. You're late for school.
What? Seriously? Oh, what my death post? Go to my death post, dude. Go to my death post.
Bro. What?
Oh hell no. Dude, someone glitched. Never mind.
Wait, where is this thing?
Dude, he's glitching. He's glitching. Oh my god, he's glitching.
Wait. Is he hacking?
It's glitching.
Wait.
Can I literally just... Oh my gosh. A godly. Wow.
Wait, what? Who did that?
What do you mean?
What is a godly anyways?
Godly,
It's a rare weapon.
yeah.
A very, very rare weapon. In case if you need to know.
What do you mean scary? Oh, what do you mean?
I don't know that's valuable, to be honest.
Bro, come here, bro.
Valuable.
Yeah.
Exchange for 100 coins? Ooh. Okay.
That one is a golden.
No, it's not. Yeah, that one. That one.
It's
Oh,
right here.
but it's different. What does the purple mean?
Yes, I killed this glitcher.
Wait, what does the purple mean though? The purple tag
What
sign.
else I haven't killed?
Wait, what does the purple?
Spectate.
Wait, what does the purple sign mean? On the godly.
Wait, I'll spectate for you.
Wait.
There's one here.
Oh, look, he's moving. Again, he's sleeping.
What does the purple mean? What does that mean? Is it ancient?
It's actually it's a godly, but you can buy it,
Oh, I thought all godless you can buy it.
and it's a Asian.
Yeah.
And Asian. I just killed this girl. When
What
she
does
was
an ancient
flying.
mean?
Ancient.
What does an ancient?
Ancient times.
What does ancient mean?
Come here! Come here! I'm
Asian
gonna hit
mean-
you with my balloon!
Ancient means old.
What?
Ancient means old. Dude, look. Bro, just
I'm you win!
bro, just me in real life.
Everybody can.
Not everyone.
They can.
My innocent cousin is so
My innocent cousin.
weird.
Come here, bro. I'm gonna jump on your head.
Wait, everyone jump! Everyone jump in my head! Everyone jump in my head!
Okay. Oh wait. Okay. How about
What
you-
is head? What is a head? Go jump! Everyone jump! Everyone
2, 1, jump.
jump! 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 No, Spartaros!
No. Wait.
Wait, don't kill me yet. I'll just. Don't kill me. I'll just collect candies. Then you can kill me, okay?
Oh my.
Okay.
Please spare me, ma'am.
Hey, don't kill me yet. Wait. Stay away from me.
Spare me.
What the? Oh, I found a gun.
Wait, where?
Oh, I found a gun.
Cap. Your subscribers will see.
Oh wait, no.
Oh! Sorry! I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
I'm really sorry. I mean,
I
if you-
just really need the candy, not the
stop.
gun.
Stop! You're camping!
Ouch!
Hey, go back to the gun.
Wow!
Oh, don't kill him. He's already dead. This one, look. He's just staying in the round because he's bored. She's right here in the basement.
Why are you teaching me? My subscribers would really get mad.
You don't need a tip anymore. I'm not giving you MM2 tips. You piece of little hatu.
Excuse me?
Anyway, guys, I'm leaving.
Already killed.
Okay,
Look.
leave now.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Goodbye. I'm not in the video anymore.
It's right
that's
here.
why.
Look with the bacon.
Is it over here?
No. Give me your phone. I will do it. I know what to do. It's where the hiding spot you find. Where the ice girl go.
Oh, okay.
Like last time in the...
Are you really gonna post that?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Oh my God.
You better cook with this one then. Alright.
Alright. I found you.
Bye-bye. I just said bye-bye so fantastic.
Now I'm gonna end the video. Now. Bye.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
I have to say something first. So, to everyone who was watching this, I just want to say goodbye, and I'm very sorry to these two. They are crazy people. They're crazier than me.
Bye.
Good.
Let me do an outro.
Let's do a gotcha cringe outro. Oh wait.
There's a bunch of